Anthropic is about to turn Claude Code into something a lot scarier. It's called Epitaxy. It ships next week. Right now, Claude Code lives in your terminal. The new version is a full desktop app. Plan panel, task panel, diff panel, all side by side, like a real cockpit. But the big unlock is coordinator mode. Instead of one Claude, you get a boss Claude that spawns a team of sub-agents. Each one picks up a task and runs it in parallel. Multi-repo support means it can touch your backend and your front end in the same session. Your AI teammate just became a full dev team. Anthropic didn't announce this. It leaked out of their own source code. Follow AI Dabbler News so you never miss what's happening in AI.